in Nashville, Tennessee, on our way to the Dive Motel. The Dive Motel only opened a couple years ago, and it is modeled after like 70s love motels. I remember seeing this on Instagram before it opened, just like seeing the preview photos of this place, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's so amazing. Is someone stealing my dream of opening a cool hotel? And then I realized the worst thing that could happen is that multiple people want to open cool hotels, and like, that's not that bad.
Welcome to the Dive Hotel. Gonna go in there well.
I'm an old hotel creationist, so I love that this hotel was designed to look old, but it's not.
Let's check it out.
Let's check it out. This is our room for the night. Beautiful pink walls, obsessed with this fuzzy blanket. I'm gonna guess that they get a million questions about, oh my gosh, how do you keep your fuzzy stuff clean? They probably don't, I don't know. Not gonna ask. Colorful bathroom with a painted tub. One of my favorite parts of these rooms is every room has this disco ball set up and a little party switch. Instant party, works every time. This is what I'm talking about. There he is, alone in his principles. No one loves to suffer more. This is a 70s dream. 2 bathtubs right next to each other, 2 huge disco balls. But the cool thing is, it's not actually retro. Remember, it's created old, which means it's fully functional, it's clean, it's working. Dive, 10 out of 10. And now, we party.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Nashville, Tennessee.
The Dive Motel.
What a freaking gem, dude. There's rarely places that we go that I'm like, I kind of want to steal this vibe for my own decorations, but like all this design like rules really hard.
Yeah, I love it. They're all really colorful and cool and detailed, and they all have a disco ball, which like is brilliant. Someone today might walk into a hotel and say, this is weird and gross. And we say, oh, thank goodness someone still has taste.
You know, you can tell a lot about a hotel by the kinds of toiletries they give you. And they have very good soaps here.
They have good soaps. For me, it was one of the cleanest hotels we've stayed at, for sure. I would say like between a 4 and a 5 because I just didn't have any issues with cleanliness. But I could see other people still being like grossed out by like, oh my gosh, carpeting, oh my gosh, faux fur.
And if people think that they're washing any top blankets in any hotel on a regular basis, you're in for a bad time.
For theme and design, honestly, I would say 5 out of 5 because I was blown away. I loved all the rooms. They were super fun. There was no room that I went, ooh, didn't want to get that room. And so I would say for what they're going for,
5 out of 5.
They get my 5. In terms of a romantic getaway, I also think this is kind of perfect. I would say another 5. Like it's kind of an easy win for me because they checked all the boxes. Again, there's mood lighting, there's a bar, they're really friendly, there's a pool, no kids allowed. I hope that this is the type of thing that we see more of and not less of.
Totally agree. Freaking rules. To dive in and thrive in.
To dive in and thrive in.
Oh my god, the crane! Oh no, the train! Oh my god!
Here we